intervener says that she received a message on a group and she rushed home. The message, of course, you all know what it is. Now the question is, what made her, if she has received a message on the group, what makes her feel that the message was sent by her deceased brother from his residence? He could have been anywhere. If after the message he commits a suicide and she believes the message so much that she rushes to his residence, which means she was aware that he is at home. Such a message could have been put by him by standing on Atal Setu or on the Zuari bridge or maybe Chandranath Parvat. What makes her feel that he is going to be at home only and send such a message? So she rushes directly home. And on that day, there is their family function, there is a family puja fixed in one of their temples. The rest of the family is there at the puja. The puja was supposed to be from 7 to 9. So if from 7 to 9 the whole family is supposed to be in the temple, she would have also been in the temple. And when she is not in the temple, questions or eyebrows can be raised to dizzy heights as to why is she not there. And secondly, on getting the message, the first thing that should come to her mind is that he is also in the temple. But she does not run to the temple. She runs to his house. And she goes there, and what does she do? She destroys the entire scene of offense. She collects the body and takes to the GMC. So has she not destroyed the vital piece of evidence? The crime scene is the most important piece of evidence in any matter of a suicide or a murder. So why does she disturb yours?
हे केशीत प्रकाशाची बहीण अक्षयाचो लेखी युक्तिवाद कोर्टान सोमार मेरेन दिवंक सांगला. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.